Okay, folks, Port of Galveston open house for the master plan. And already have a good turnout so far. I tried to go live, but just StreamYard and YouTube were not cooperating. Let's go over here to the this cargo stuff on this end. Let's go over here to cruise stuff. You can see there's all kinds of growth in the cruise business on the charts through the research. See the chart for each of the, they call them birds with the terminals. We all know them as terminals. And there's the mid-port. Already there's been several of my followers come up to me here. How you doing? Many of y'all seen my drawings. It's all basically the same thing.
It was more for Jake, but he's not here, so.
Y'all can see, like I said, the retail development, possibly hotel, multifamily rental, condominiums, basically. It's just as they say, the master plan. Usually. We'll be doing a presentation here in a few minutes. I'm waiting for them to get started on that. They're big on green marine, low carbon emissions, clean energy, so forth. So it's a good thing. A lot of the buildings here, the Royal Caribbean terminals built that way, and y'all heard me mention about the East End development where they allow walkable community type situation, boardwalk, so forth. You can see the yellow line where you'll have a pedestrian walking, walkways and stuff. So I look at your plan here, and I'm still scratching my head about how we're not going to get 50,000 people or so in and out of here on a given Sunday morning.
Yeah, so we're getting what, about 30,000 right now.
Mm-hmm.
I That's what you're seeing now. Yeah, enhancing the ability to get in here through multiple roads. What part of town are you now?
I live in Seabrook. And quite frankly, I was hoping that you guys would be looking at like a train or scheme to get people in and out. Especially since the railroad is so close to all of that. For historical reasons, I mean, it's important to get people and things out.
Very expensive.
I can believe that. But there's not a lot of room to do much else. I mean, I look at like Miami. It seems to me you're looking at something a nightmare.
No, it's I don't know what it is actually.
This is what blew my top right here. This whole east end here.
Yeah, it's going to be beautiful.
And this is a pretty big parking garage, but this makes this look like a dwarf.
Yeah, so this will be intended to serve 2 terminals, right?
Exactly.
So it has to have more capacity.
Yeah. And fill in that slip so we get that.
Yeah. Extend the pier from here to here so it can handle 2.
Right.
Potentially an oasis and an icon next to each other.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. I've already scoped all that out. Yeah, I'm really excited about that. That's probably possibly your 5th terminal right there before they do the other one down the other end. I think 5th is going to go. This is going to go in here first.
Yeah. Oh, it's going to be pretty. Having that there and having the Texas here.
Oh yeah, the Texas is going to look awesome sitting right there.
2 ships in the Texas.
Yes, sir. I'm excited about this. It's the overall vision of retail, condominiums, hotel space. Everybody's screaming for more hotel space in the port area. So that's what I'm getting. I got a lot of people waiting for me to get back from this to put these videos on the YouTube. I got a live show tonight at 7 with a couple other guys. My live show was Monday night already, and we wound up going an hour and a half. We usually do the hour, but we did an hour and a half. We had a lot of stuff to talk about, but it's a lot. The blogosphere out there. Everybody's gung ho about Galveston.
They love hearing all this.
Well, as you can see here, we had the project engineer, actually the head of the company, the engineering firm that the port brought in to design, help do the research and design and develop a master plan. And he's doing this little presentation that's a little on the dry side, so I thought I'd not bore you guys with the details. He's going real heavy into the charts and numbers and all that kind of stuff, but he did go at the end of it showing the drawings that I have here. I will attach them to the end of my my video here so you guys get the chance to see once again the vision of what the Port of Galveston is going to look like. I will keep it on the cruise side. I won't go dwell into the cargo side so much, but it's a like I said, I'm very gung ho. Very exciting to see this, what the port's going to look like in 20 years, and it's a great time to be a Galvestonian, or as some of you guys say, the governor of Galveston. So anyway, folks, I'll go ahead and finish it up here, and I'll go ahead and, like I said, I'll put these drawings on the end of this video, and so you get to see what we're looking at and enjoy them like I did. Folks, this is a Texas Cruiser, Rick Wade, book a cruise. Hope to catch you on a future cruise. Hit that like and subscribe button. Join my channel. It helps grow. Also keeps Miss Donna happy, so we all need to make Miss Donna happy now. So folks, it's like I said, I wish y'all came in with me. I wish the live worked. I worked hard on trying to get both StreamYard and YouTube, and they both didn't act right. So I might have been more of a signal problem there or something. I don't know what the deal was, but anyway, I think I got a decent video where you can get a feel for the open house. Y'all be safe out there, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.